Hi, I'm Alison from Bag Load of Bird Load. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different to what we normally do on the channel. I am going to be opening a fabric order that I have placed with Metre Fabrics. So this is the first time I've ever ordered from Metre Fabrics. And despite what the name says, that not every fabric they have is a pound a metre. So what I've purchased was a 10 metre bundle. It's called a Moonlight Jersey bundle, and that was 10 metres for £20, so £2 a metre. And the other thing that I ordered was 3 metres of Ponte jersey, and that was 3 metres for £10. And delivery, I think, was £4.95, but I'll check that. And it's been delivered by FedEx. So I was a little bit disappointed at first because I ordered this last Wednesday. Today is the following Thursday, so 8 days on. And 8 days on is when it was delivered. So delivery was a little slow, however it was dispatched, well, according to the leaflet here, it was dispatched by FedEx. So FedEx was the courier used, and it was only dispatched yesterday. So once it was dispatched, it arrived really quickly. Yesterday, when I was sort of looking and thinking, where's my fabric? Where is it? I did check out on their website. There is actually a note saying that due to the pandemic that things have been delayed. Currently experiencing a 7-day dispatch from order to date of dispatch. So it's come as fast as it says on the website, so I can't really be disappointed with that. I just didn't check that out before I placed my order. poundametre.com that I've ordered this from. So you are seeing this as I see it for the first time. So let's unbag it. Rip open the packaging. Okay, so this looks like the Moonlight bundle, first of all. So we've got 2 layers of packaging here before we can get in and actually view the fabric. So I think it's all actually Ponte d'Aroma, but I thought that the colours of this Moonlight bundle would be really good for my nieces, who are 2 and 5. Okay, so this is the Moonlight bundle. I'll have a look at that in a second. This is the jersey that I have ordered, the Ponte d'Aroma. Actually, I'm really quite impressed with that. It is a little bit greener than I expected. It was called Micro Lines, and it looked grey on the website, but it's not bad. It's a nice quality Ponte. And this will work really well. I am making a Tilly and the Buttons Billy dress with this as part of my sew along in my Love and Stitches club. So that is what that is going to become. So the 3 metres of that, I will measure it to check, but it looks pretty much like there's a lot of fabric there. So this is my little Moonlight bundle, and this is something that I wasn't sure about, but for £20 for 10 metres, I thought, well, you can't really go wrong. What I'm hoping is that each of these pieces is 2 metres, but there's only 4 pieces, so we've got, this is actually really gorgeous. You know, the kids will really love it, the girls will really love it. This sort of, it's almost metallic Ponte d'Aroma. It's finer than the other stuff. It does, I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera. Can you see my hand through that or not? But anyway, it's a little finer, and there's not a great deal of stretch, but it'll make some lovely little girls' dresses. This will actually work really nicely as well for t-shirts and tops for me. That one again, it's got this lovely kind of metallic-y, almost latex effect running through it. I hope you can see that under the camera because it's really quite good. I'm really pleased with this. To say it's £2 a metre. And then we've got a pink stripe. Again, probably a little see-through for dresses. this has got a nice flow to it, so actually you could make a cardigan with it, but yeah, you probably wouldn't want to do anything too as a dress. It's a little bit on the fine side for that, and you see me as I see this for the first time, so it is just exactly as you you know, as I'm opening it, and you'll see my reaction as I sort of look at it. Just to give you an idea of how see-through that is, I can read the dispatch notification through that there, but some little cardigans or little, not even little cardigans, some layers, this will be really, really nice. You know, you can't go wrong with £2 a metre for fabric. £2 a metre for fabric is super, super cheap, so you can't expect a lot for that price. I am going to measure this and see sort of how many metres I have got of each one. But yes, that is my opening of my delivery from pound a metre, poundametre.com. They're based in Bradford by the looks of their delivery note. But yeah, these are lovely. And then this is a much heavier weight, much sturdier, will be perfect for that Tilly and the Buttons billy dress that I'm about to make. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more great Learn to Sew videos that will help make you a better dressmaker.